G'day guys, my name's Jared from Roberts Real Estate and I'm very excited and privileged to be able to bring you 3 Walker Street to the market. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property has been fully renovated and it's just been completed. We're only 100 metres away from the IGA, the local gym, the town clock, the doctor's surgery. It's all here, just a quick walk away. So let's go and have a look at this amazing property. I'm sure you agree that this is an amazing property. So be quick, contact me, Jared Leslie at Roberts Real Estate, and I'll show you through.